In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add a hardware asset. This is only available within the Technology Risk module. From the splash screen, we will click the top module, which is the Technology Risk module. Once you have logged in with appropriate privileges, you will see the Technology Risk dashboard. To get started, you will go to the left-hand side under Asset Inventory and click Hardware Asset. Once you click Hardware Asset, you will see the Hardware Asset page. To add an asset, we will be clicking the New Asset button. Once we click the button, we see the new hardware asset pop-up. We will start with the asset ID. This is an automatically generated unique ID that you do not need to fill out. This ID is the identifier you would use to find this asset. Next is the asset class. Once you click the box, you will see a drop-down with all of the asset classes your system has. We will be selecting laptop. Next is the host or system name. We will be filling this in with HAS254. Next is the make or model. We will be filling this in with Dell. Next is a description of the hardware asset. We will be filling this in with a generic description. Next is the hardware criticality. Once you click the box, you will see a drop-down with all of the critical levels your system has. We will be selecting high. Next is the type. We will be filling this in with Ultrabook. Next is the risk assess frequency. Once you click the box, you will see a drop-down with all of the frequencies your system has. We will be selecting as per policy. Next is the business function. Once you click the box, you will see a drop-down with all of the functions your system has. We will be selecting communications. Next is the system or business owner. We will be filling this in with John. Lastly is the department or function. Once you click the box, you will see a drop-down with all of the department or functions your system has. We will be selecting clinic. Once you have filled out all of the required fields, you will go to the bottom of the pop-up and click Save. Once you click Save, you will see a success confirmation. And if we look within the table, we see our hardware asset has been added. You have now successfully added a hardware asset.